The 2026 Mercedes-AMG GLS 63 Brabus 800 stands as a monumental achievement in automotive engineering, blending the sheer utility of a full-sized luxury SUV with the heart-stopping performance of a supercar. When you first look at this vehicle, the presence is undeniable thanks to the signature Brabus Widestar body kit, which adds significant width and an aggressive stance that dwarfs almost anything else on the road. The front fascia is dominated by massive air intakes and a custom carbon fiber grille that proudly displays the illuminated Brabus logo, signaling immediately that this is no ordinary Mercedes. Under the hood lies the masterpiece of this build, a 4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that has been meticulously tuned to produce a staggering 800 horsepower and 1,000 Newton-meters of torque. This power allows a vehicle of this massive scale to sprint from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.8 seconds, a feat that feels almost physics-defying when you are behind the wheel. The exhaust note is equally impressive, featuring a stainless steel high-performance system with actively controlled valves that allow the driver to switch between a subtle coming-home mode and a deafeningly powerful sport setting. On the exterior, the attention to detail is remarkable, featuring high-gloss carbon fiber accents on the fender flares, the rear diffuser, and the aerodynamic roof spoiler. The car sits perfectly on 24-inch Monoblock Z Platinum Edition forged wheels, which are not only lightweight but also designed to handle the immense stress of the vehicle's top speed, which is electronically limited to 280 km per hour. Moving to the interior, the Brabus Masterpiece cabin is a masterclass in bespoke luxury, often featuring fine leather upholstery with intricate diamond quilting that extends from the seats to the door panels and even the floor mats. Every surface is touched by premium materials, including Alcantara on the pillars and headliner, complemented by high-end carbon fiber trim throughout the dashboard and center console. Technology is seamlessly integrated with the Mercedes-AMG UX system, providing intuitive control over the vehicle's performance settings and comfort features while maintaining a sophisticated aesthetic. The ride quality remains exceptionally composed despite the massive wheels, thanks to a modified air suspension system that lowers the ride height for better aerodynamics and handling at high speeds. This SUV is designed for those who refuse to compromise between family-friendly space and world-class performance, offering 3 rows of seating wrapped in an environment that feels more like a private jet than a traditional car. Safety and driver assistance features remain top-tier, ensuring that even with 800 horsepower at your disposal, the vehicle remains predictable and secure in all driving conditions. Whether it is the sheer acceleration, the imposing widebody design, or the unparalleled craftsmanship of the interior, the Brabus 800 GLS 63 represents the pinnacle of what is possible when performance tuning meets luxury manufacturing. It is a vehicle that commands respect on the highway and provides an unmatched sense of occasion every time the engine roars to life. Owners of such a machine are not just driving an SUV, they are piloting a statement of power and prestige that has been engineered to the highest possible standards. Every vent, every stitch, and every mechanical component works in harmony to deliver a driving experience that is as smooth as it is explosive. As the automotive world moves toward a more electrified future, high-displacement masterpieces like this one serve as a reminder of the raw emotion and mechanical soul that define the legacy of the internal combustion engine. From the specialized Brabus suspension modules to the custom-mapped engine management system, every detail has been refined to ensure that the power is delivered reliably and efficiently. The 2026 model continues to push the boundaries of what enthusiasts expect from the GLS platform, proving that even a luxury 7-seater can possess the DNA of a track-ready monster. This car is built for the long haul, the high-speed autobahn runs, and the grand entrances, making it one of the most versatile and desirable luxury vehicles currently in existence. Final thoughts on this vehicle always lead back to its incredible balance of ferocity and refinement, making the Brabus 800 GLS 63 a true titan of the modern automotive era.